Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discussing about your project comparisons and extensions of approximate 4:2 compressor for low power approximate multiplier. In this paper, we propose three different accurate 4:2 compressor with using high speed gate level full adder design of XOR and multiplexer circuit instead of conventional full adder design, which have a feasibility of switching between the exact and approximate computing operating modes. In this approximate mode, this dual quality compressor provide a high speed and low power consumptions at the cost of low accuracy. Each of the compressor has its own level of accuracy in the approximate mode as well as different delay and power dissipations in the approximate and exact modes. Using this compressor in the approximate multiplier, it will provide accuracy as well as power and speed may change dynamically during the runtime operations. The proposed 4:2 compressor based approximate multiplier save few number of logic gate in the partial product generations, and in this proposed multiplier was evaluated in image processing applications such as image multiplications, image sharpenings and so on. This design was implemented in Verilog HDL and synthesized in Xilinx S6LX9 FPGA and compared all the parameters in terms of area, delay and power. Now we can verify the base paper. Okay, so this is a title and this is the abstract of the base paper, and this is a figure 1 architecture. Okay, it's contain a exact adder. Okay, it's have a two full adder circuit. Okay, it's having a 4 input x1 x2 x3 x4. Okay, so the 3 input will be given to one full adder. Okay, and the t in and x1 and the one full adder output will be given to another full adder. Okay, so totally this touches will take a more logic size of area. Okay, and this full adder will contain a 5 logic gates. Okay, two half adder, one half adder contain a 2 logic gate and one full adder contain a 5 logic gate. Okay, so overall 10 logic gate will taken on this exact 4:2 compressor. Okay, now we can verify the proposed design. This proposed design of 4:2 compressor will contain depends upon the equations. Okay, this 567 and 568 and 569 equation. Okay, so this equation based structures will be present on this figure 3. Okay, so the figure 3 A section will contain for equation 567, B section will depends upon equation 8, that means a 568, and figure 3 section C contain the equation of 569. Okay, and this is a multiplication. Okay, using this approximate adder they are design a multiplier. Okay, so in this multiplier they are used exact 4:2 compressor also and approximate 4:2 compressor also. For this two method of addition based multiplication, it will take more logic size of area. That's why we are designing a new method here. Okay, so as per this configurations we are designing this work in Verilog HDL. Okay, now I'll share the Verilog coding. Okay, so this is a test bench of the coding. Okay, this is the approximate multiplier for 8x8. Okay, and so this is a simulation report for the first multiplier of existing work. Okay, so now we can verify the clock reset is an input, A, B is an input, and the multiplication output is this one. Okay, and in the test bench we are designing a data check value. Okay, the data check value will contain the manual multiplication, that means operator based multiplication A into B. Okay, so this data check value will be given upon here. Okay, and we will be calculate the error value, how much error difference will be have in the original value and multiplication approximate value. Okay, now the input value is 20189 and the output value is 14633 and the exact value is 17889 and the error value is 3256. Okay, but in the proposed method of the compressor, okay, it will take this much only. The error it will be reduced 1664. Okay, the same value will be multiplied. Okay, so in the existing part it will take a 3256 and proposed value the error it will be take a 1664. Okay, so the overall error also reduced and overall logic is also reduced. Okay, here this is a Xilinx report of the existing method. Okay, so this is a synthesis report. It will take a slice LUT is 75 and occupied slices 24 and IO base is 32. Okay, and delay is 15.551 nanosecond. Okay, and this is the RTL schematic for that. Okay, approximate multiplier. Okay, and so here we are used the number of compressor 5 comma 6 comma 7 and half adders and number of full adders. Okay, and here you can verify. So this one is a proposed compressor method of approximate multiplier. Okay, here it will take 41 LUT and 15 occupied slices and 32 IOs. Okay, and delay it will take 9.662 nanosecond. Okay, and this is the RTL schematic for that. Okay, so here it will take totally number of compressor is 5 comma 6. Okay, and we are used Exarmux full adder on here. Okay, you can verify this Exarmux full adder. Okay, instead of that it will take one XOR gate, two XOR gate and one multiplexer. Okay, so overall logic size it will be reduced. Okay, and the comparisons of this logic will be given on here. Okay, we are having a lot of codes for this. Here we are designing all the existing part of compressor. Okay, 5 comma 6 comma 7 and 5 comma 6 comma 8 and 5 comma 6 comma 9 exact compressor. Okay, and proposed method having separate code for that. Okay, and existing conventional method, existing XOR method, proposed XOR method and proposed conventional method. All the comparisons will be given on here, but in the video file we can't possible to explain all the codes. Okay, so we are given a short note on the code for existing and proposed of conventional method and Exarmux method and the proposed. Okay, so this is a comparisons for adder. Okay, so exact force compressor and proposed compressor. Okay, so equation based we are given. Okay, so this is the existing path of conventional method and Exarmux full adder method. Okay, for all the equations. Okay, totally the proposed method it will be reduced compared to the proposed method of conventional full adder and Exarmux full adder. Here 4 LUTs will be take means, here 2 only take. Okay, here 5 will be take mean, here 3 only take. So overall it will be reduced. Okay, and this is a comparison analysis chart. Okay, and this is a comparisons of approximate multiplier. Okay, so here we are compared the existing conventional approximate multiplier and Exarmux full adders based existing work and proposed method and proposed Exarmux full adders. Okay, and so overall comparisons. Okay, here the delay you can calculate. Okay, the delay will be reduced totally. Okay, and the proposed method compared to the existing method, and this is a comparison analysis chart. And finally we are written abstract document for this project. This is a title and base paper abstract, enhancement of this project, proposed title, proposed abstract, workflow, existing system, exact compressor, analysis of nodes of existing systems and disadvantages, proposed systems and proposed systems nodes, and introduction of VLSI, advantages. Okay, literature survey, finally references. Okay, thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.